Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we will learn how does a computer work. Okay. So our lesson name is how does a computer work. A computer cannot work on its own. As it is a machine, तो हमको उसको ऑपरेट करना पड़ता है. कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट वर्क ऑन इट्स ओन. अपने आप कंप्यूटर काम नहीं कर सकता है. वी हैव टू ऑपरेट कंप्यूटर. मीन्स योर यूजर्स. ओके. Now we need to enter letters, numbers and instruction into the computer to make it work. ठीक है. हमें कंप्यूटर में लेटर्स, नंबर्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू एंटर इन कंप्यूटर और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेटा. These are called data. Suppose you enter your name, so your name is data. You enter your age is data. You enter your phone number is data. Suppose you enter your photo, so your photo is data. Suppose you record your voice, so your voice is data. So whatever we enter into the computer, it is your data. Different parts of computer do different tasks. Now computer works in 3 basic steps. Okay, how many steps are there in computer? 3 basic steps. Okay, what are that 3 basic steps? The first basic step is your I, means input. Then P means your process, and then O means your output. So computer works on 3 basic steps: input, process, output. IPO. Let us see. Yes. See. 3 basic works. What is this? Input. Then after input, what will be done? Process, and after process, what is their output? So 3 basic steps are your input. We will remember it by I. Process, we will remember it by P, and output, that is O. So what are the 3 basic steps? I, P, O. Repeat with me. What are the 3 basic steps? I, P, O. Very good. Now we will take some example. Suppose you have a pencil. Okay, but this pencil is blunt. Blunt means उसकी नोक नहीं है. Can you write with that pencil? No, it's blunt. तो this is your input. ये क्या है आपका? यहाँ इसकी नोक नहीं है. That is your blunt. तो now what process we have to do? What process we have to do? We have to sharp it. Okay, we have to put sharpener for the pencil. Okay, so what is the process? Sharpening. And what is the result? Your pencil is sharp. Okay, so you have blunt pencil. You have done the process, that is sharpening, and output is your pencil which is sharp. Okay, so this is your input, process, output. Now if you have dirty clothes, when you are going to play, mud will be on your clothes. So if you are having dirty clothes, okay, so what you have to do? Yes, you have to wash them. Okay, in washing machine or by hands. So what is the process? Washing. And what you will be getting after washing? Yes, clean clothes. Okay, after washing, what you will be getting? Clean clothes. So dirty clothes is your input, washing is your process, and clean cloth after processing is your output. Now let us understand these steps by taking example of our body. When teacher asks us a question, okay, suppose I am going to ask you a question. Now also I am going to ask you a question. What is your name? So, yes. Which part of your body you have used? To hear? Yes. To hear you have used ears. Okay. सुनने के लिए आपने क्या यूज किया? Ears. और देखने के लिए क्या यूज कर रहे हो आप? Eyes. Okay. आंखें. So, ears and eyes. You are hearing from ears, you are seeing from eyes. So ears and eyes are input unit. Now if I asked you a question, who is working, who is processing? Your brain is processing. So brain stores everything that teacher says. Then it think of an answer and orders us to speak. Now you are going to speak with yes, mouth. You are going to speak with mouth. So that works as your output device. So in your body, ear and eyes are input devices. Brain is your processing and mouth is your output. Or if you are going to write the answer, so your handwriting is your output. Now in computer, input. Suppose we are going to say input. So how we can input in a computer? The data and instructions that we enter into the computer are called input. जो भी हम data enter करते हैं computer में, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Input. Now we enter this data using your keyboard or using your mouse. Now what is process? Working on the data is called processing. Okay, working on a data is called processing. जैसे सपोज आपको इंग्लिश में 10 मार्क्स मिले, हिंदी में भी 10 मार्क्स मिले, तो दोनों को ऐड करके कितने मार्क्स हो गए? 20 मार्क्स. सो what you have given to the computer? 10 marks. 10 marks. What computer is giving you? 20. Means after adding that. So that is your after processing. Let us see what is processing. CPU works on data and does all the thinking and calculations. Output. Now what is output? Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on monitor. Output हमें कहाँ मिलता है? Monitor पर. और data कैसे जाता है आपका? Keyboard से. So keyboard या mouse से data आता है, कहाँ जाता है? CPU में. और CPU से process होके कहाँ आता है आपका? Monitor में. तो पहले हमने क्या करते हैं? Input. फिर CPU क्या करता है आपका? Process and monitor क्या दिखाता है आपका? Output. So this is IPO. That is your input, process and output. Now monitor and printer are most common output devices. आप प्रिंटर से प्रिंट आउट भी ले सकते हो, तो these are your most common output devices. Let us understand the working of computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data, plus is instruction. Now CPU will work on the data according to the instruction. It will add number 2 and number 5. And what is the result? 7 is the result or the output. अब आपने कंप्यूटर को दिया क्या था? 2 and 5. कंप्यूटर ने क्या किया उसको? 2 plus 5 means प्रोसेसिंग किया और आउटपुट क्या मिला हमें? 7. So this is data, this is your processing and this is your output. Understood? Data goes in a computer and computer process it and gives you output. So what is this? I, and what is this? This plus is your processing and O, output. 7 is your output. So, in this way, computer works. What are the 3 basic steps of the computer? Repeat with me. Number 1, input. Repeat with me. Number 1, input. Very good. Number 2, process. Repeat with me. Number 2, process. Very good. Number 3, output. Repeat with me. Number 3, output. Very good. Okay, so read this lesson at your home. Stay at home, stay safe, take care, drink plenty of water. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.